lot of students that I've worked with over the years really have suffered from test taking anxiety. One of the hardest things about that is that many people don't even believe it's real. A lot of times people will hear it as an excuse for not having studied hard enough or not having learned the material well enough. A part of our brain is designed to shut off certain aspects of our physiology when we're in a fight or flight experience. So we're experiencing fear. We're being chased by a lion on the savannah. Your heart starts racing because it's pumping blood to your extremities, to your arms, to your legs, so that you can get out of there and survive. So that's a very adaptive response. But if we're sitting in a classroom about to take a test, that's not exactly the kind of response we need to do well in that moment. So, what we need to do is understand that anxiety is, first of all, an adaptive response. And second of all, it starts at the physiological level. And so it requires a physiological response to calm it down. Most people think when they start to stress out about a test and they start to feel worried, they think they need to talk themselves out of it. Right. So they go, okay, okay, I can do this. Come on, just focus. And they start trying to give themselves a pep talk, which is not wholly wrong or bad to do. It just doesn't go deep enough because the response itself is happening on a very physiological, a much more basic, fundamental physiological level. In that moment that we're starting to experience some anxiety arising, we want to calm the nervous system. And one of the easiest, simplest, most effective ways to do that is with the breath. And this is something you can do anywhere at any time, even in the middle of a classroom filled with people with a test in front of you. And the most effective calming breath that I've learned, this is from a neuroscientist, is called the 4-8 breath, where you inhale for a count of 4 and you exhale for a count of 8. And it's not so important that you get it exactly right of exactly 4 and exactly 8. The main idea is that it's in a nice full breath in, and then your exhale is twice as long. It can be kind of funny at first to breathe intentionally if you've never done it before, especially, but it just looks like this. When we take those few deep breaths, it resets our nervous system and it signals to our physiology, hey, we're not in mortal danger here. It's okay. It's okay to think. It's okay to have that part of your brain come back online, and then you're good to go.